Hi you guys, this is Gwendolyn, and for today's video I'm going to share with you a few ideas for maybe a weekend getaway for the summer, or you know. Okay you guys, I hope that you're going to enjoy this video. And would you please do me a favor to go ahead and hit the like button if you do, and just leave a comment or things like that as well, please. You know how it goes. I watch videos as well, and sometimes I forget to, hit the like, and I need to get better with that. So that's why I'm reminding you guys. Okay, now what I was going to show you is a possibility of using the Neverfull or the Keepall, correct? So either one of these choices, they could be packed maybe similar. And I'm going to also incorporate, we'll talk about the e-bags. Okay, these. I've talked about these, I think, on a few videos, maybe like 100 something years ago, but I've talked about the e-bags before. They come in different sizes. I'm not being sponsored by them, anything like that. If I was, I would definitely mention it. But I am, and I'm filming with my phone today. I'm sorry if it's like a little bit different because my camera, I don't know what I did with the little card insert. Anyway, but the e-bags are different sizes. I'm looking at it upside down. So it's like this one, different ones. But I'm going to show you, like this could be used for shoes individually, or maybe if you want to put both in there, I'm guessing. But this is one of the sizes. I got more than one of the blue, and I get different sizes to be able to distinguish between what I packed and things like that. And so anyway, it's just one of my things I do. And here's another one. I'm going to use a few of this size, whichever size this is, the yellow one. So I just put this to the side so you can see pretty much that's what's inside these bags. Okay, so well, in one of the bags. I just packed the Neverfull like this. And I have the scarf on top because I typically, when I go, if I do like a weekend or something like that, getaway, I like to take some type of a scarf because you can wear them as a top as well. So I don't know where I'm looking. I'm looking over here somewhere. So I'm trying to not block myself from being here. So bear with me. I'm looking at my coffee machine back there. Okay, but here's a scarf that I got on top just because the Neverfull, I like to keep it completely open. And we know that it's a mostly open bag anyway, correct? But I did do a video on showing you how to partially close it, give it a little bit more security. So I did a video on that to show you how to close it up a little bit more. However, if it's really full, that's not going to matter that much anyway. So an option would be maybe to put like a scarf or something across it and, kind of tuck it in or whatever. That's just my opinion. But anyway, so I put that in here because that can also be used, like I said, as a top or a skirt or like a wrap or something for a swimsuit, or on with like in place of a belt. There's so many variations with beautiful scarves, as we know. So anyway, and this is how I have it packed, like this. Now, why I'm showing you the e-bags is because organization gives you more flexibility, more flexibility. It really, truly does. It matters. I'm going to sit over a little bit. So, like I have two of these in here, these e-bags. And I'll show you, if you would like to see what's in there, I can show you, give you a little bit idea of how I packed it. I have one in there and two of those, and both of these of course would fit in the Keepall. We know that if it fits in here, it would fit in the Keepall. I just showed you both just in case you have one or the other, or a bag that's similar in size. So that's what I was showing you that for. And I threw in there my little, I think this is called the, I always say Eva, I think. I don't remember. I never remember the name of this bag. But I take this with me a lot of times because if I don't want to carry this around all day or when I'm out and about on the weekend, I can carry this one, or I take the pochette that came with one of my buckets. I think it did. It came with a bucket. And I take this. So these are all options to go out or something later in the night or whatever on your weekend time away or whatever, a few days, however long. But that's an option to pack that in with your bags. So I just drop these back in here. And I have other stuff in my Louis bag just to let you know. I didn't have it completely empty because I've been using it. I've been using I said a Louis bag, I mean the Neverfull. I've been using it, so, God, if I say that word one more time. Okay, so that, I'll put it over here. Oh, if you're looking at my braids, Lexi braided my hair for me. And so it's like, she got some of the little, she curled some of the little ends like that, because you could just get some of them curl like that. And that's why I have some curls, a few here, because you guys know I like bangs as well. I have a few here, and I just sort of twisted, plaited or whatever part of it and flipped it over and had it on this side so the more of the little curls would hang from this side. Or I could bring it all the way around like this. I could do that too as well. So, summer deal for me. So, and it is pretty cool. It works. Okay, now what I have showing you this scenario here with the bags, because you get to pack probably more things if you organize yourself. It just matters. When you carry it around your handbag or whatever and you organize it better, I promise you, it gives you a little bit more room to add more things to it. So like this is one of the bags I had packed, and just a few things in here to give you an idea. Sorry you can't see it that well, but I'm opening up the top of the bag and I have in here like a dress, and I do a lot of things. What I'm trying to say, I buy things, dresses and things like that, skirts and tops, that is made out of material that doesn't wrinkle as much, because I don't want to be bothered with ironing, and I don't like to iron anyway. I actually haven't ironed in, I don't remember when. I don't even have an iron anymore. Anyway, so, I don't. But here's just a top. In their dress, a top. Here's just a shirt, t-shirt, like a tube top, just another top. I'm just showing you that I could put quite a few things in there. And I have shoes in these bags inside of this bag. See, I have a pair of shoes, so I could, if I was going for the weekend or whatever, have a little heel or whatever, and take some flats or something as well. But all of that fits in this one bag. So, and I could put more, to be honest. But let me show you the other one. Let me get this bag up. I swear, organizing your stuff just matters. It truly does. And here's the other one, the other e-bag. And inside of this one, well, I'm twisted up. I'm hot, I'm burning up, and Lord, help me please, somebody. Okay, so in this one I have a swimsuit, just a basic swimsuit. That could fit in here. I have a pair of jeans. I like these jeans because they're Lola, and you guys know that's the name I get called for being a grandfather, which means grandmother, grandmama. Okay, I have my tennis shoes. Those, I have a workout shirt. Oh yeah, some workout pants. All of that. And here's a dress or a top, whichever. It's a dress or however you want to wear it. That was in here. Now, I could actually fit even more in this when I had these things packed, but I'm giving you, just showing you the idea of organizing your pack for the weekend or whatever you go. It's better to be organized because you can squeeze so much more in your bags. So, and look at how much stuff I could get in there just because I use the e-bags or something like it. I'm trying to think, if I didn't have an e-bag, what would I use? I don't know. I'm sure there's something out there similar to these. They're not expensive. I bought a whole set of, I kept purchasing 2 at a time. So, but I got that much stuff, and I could have fit more in my bag and then Neverfull just by, like I said, organize it better. But yeah, so I was going to try to show you a bag smaller, but I wouldn't be able to use that size. Now, if I wanted to take a smaller bag, I would need something smaller, and like some type of organization, something. But if you're going to get down to just an actual handbag, or as I used to call a purse, if you get in that small, I mean, it's like you're not going to be able to carry that many things. You're just going to have to be creative, which I could carry things like I said, when you buy this certain material that's stretchy or whatever, you just simply, you fold your things and roll it really small. Because when I travel, actually, I put quite a few things in my carry-all, the carry-all and my purse. I keep like my jewelry and things like that in my purse. I keep in my handbag, whatever you guys call it. I call it a purse. I'm old school, so, but whatever. And then you could put, like if I carry like one of my 30 or so, my Speedies, I could fit quite a few things in there. I could put flats or some kind of sandals. I buy the shoes that are folded up inside of a little case. I buy those. The like ballerina looking type of slippers. I put their slip-ons. I carry those with me. I have, I always have some kind of a scarf or something like that. You can have your little undies or whatever. You could put in there's a sandwich bag. You can roll them up really tight. Well, not to my bras. That is no way. But I put that in the bottom of the thing, like a liner in the bottom of my handbag. I can make anything work. But this is just to show you more of an idea that you're going away for the weekend or something. So I think it's pretty cool. So if you guys, if you want to see more videos like this, I can get more creative with different sizes. I could show you a few of the different type of handbags. If you don't have one of these two, I could show you, I have like a Dooney. I have a few others. I have a Calvin Klein, I think, just totes. This will work with just a tote. That's similar in size, I think. But the Neverfull is really, it expands. That's a great investment. I'm just being honest. So anyway, I could show you more videos like that, so that I can show you some more things with some of my other handbags. I'll do that as well. So, but anyway, so for right now, this is what I wanted to share with you. And I'll talk to you guys about some updates later, because I have an update to tell you about something that's not so great, but I don't want to get into it because I don't want to get all jacked up. So, but I'll tell you later. But anyway, so anyway, I'm going to get out of here. Hope you guys are still being good to one another, being extra good to yourself. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe Turn on your notifications. See, you never know when I'm going to show up. That's why you need to be notified. You don't know. Anyway, it's so good talking to you guys again. But I'll be back really soon with a few more things I'd like to share with you. I never showed you guys what I got for Mother's Day. I'll do that. But anyway, I'm going to get out of here. Love you guys. I have to go eat. I'm so hungry. Love you guys. Take care of yourselves. Bye. Doo-doo-doo.